Good morning everyone. This is Humanity Leather Cup chapter 11 and the theme of today's match is Constitution Cup on the eve of birthday of Shri Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of Constitution of India. And today's match is being played this is a try series actually, and it is being played at Syed Akbar Hussaini turf ground, KBN turf ground, and Zakir is bowling to Rahman. Very nice shot, but the fielder is there, but he has completely cleared the fielder. Absolutely fantastic shot by Rahman. Rahman has hit very amazing shot. He is playing fearlessly, and Ashfan is there with him. Very nice shot by Rahman. It looks like he has prepared himself. He has come with full of preparation, and this is the second boundary for him. Firstly, he has hit on the first ball, and now amazing shot by him. Fearless shot. He has no panic, no fear. He's clearing the boundary. We'll see on this ball what can he do. Yeah, this is also confidence. The confidence is showing by this shot. Very nice shot. 2 overs completed. After the completion of 2 overs, it's 14 runs. 14 runs after the completion of 2 overs. Now again Rahman will take a strike, and now the legend of Gulbarga, that is Zafar Bhai, will bowl to Rahman. So Humanity Leather Cup chapter 11 try series, and this is T10 10 overs matches, and each team will be playing 2 matches, and after that the qualifying teams will go for final. Try to hit. Fielder Sadiq is there for 1 run. They could not stop 1 run. Now Ashfan on the strike. Ashfan is a very good player. He hits the ball very clearly, and he has also got the fluency of the bat. We'll see what can he do on this occasion, because in front of him Zafar Bhai, yeah, looking to hit Biggie. No white signal by the umpire. I thought this is a white, but there is no signal by the umpire. That's why we cannot say anything here. Some discussions going on over there between bowler and the umpire. Aswan will face to Zafar Bhai, the legend of Gulbarga. Amazing shot. Fielder is there. No run. Well stop. Very nice stop by the fielder in mid wicket area. Very nice ball. Very nice bowling up till now. Very nice shot. Fantastic shot by Ashfan. No chance for any of the fielders. The ball is clearing the boundary. Mr. Sadiq is going to collect the ball. Very nice shot by Ashfan. Hitting clearly, and this kind of batting is required in power play, especially in T10. You cannot let the ball go. You have to hit the ball. Every ball in power play especially. Now he was looking for single, but he could not, because the keeper Akhil is so active. Only 1 boundary from this over. This is 3rd over going on. Another good shot. Fantastic shot. But fielder is there. Imran Tandur is there. Only one run has been taken. So 4 overs completed. After the completion of 3 overs, it's 20 runs. After the completion of 3 overs, it's 20 runs. Now who will come to the ball? Yeah, the captain himself, Mr. Minhaj. Minhaj are coming from the Raga end. After the completion of 3 overs, is 20 runs. This is the first ball of the 4th over. White ball signaled by the umpire. First ball of Minhasar is going for white. Swan, who has hit very good 4 in the last over. Again, white signal by the umpire. Not very good bowling. There's a 4th over going to start, and it had started with 2 extras. This was amazing ball. Non-striker. Wow. This quick run was taken while Swan was not at all ready, but non-striker has forced him to take the run. That's good. You have to rotate the crease. Rahman is looking for Chicky, but could not do so. Mr. Minhaj is bowling very accurately. That's why this ball did not go for boundary. Otherwise, it would have gone. This is the 3rd ball of the over. I think 23 runs already. And fielder is there. Only 1 run will be taken. This is T10. So I think the batter should go for boundaries and sixes. That's much required in this format of game. Four balls, and in these 4 balls he has given away 4 runs, I think. Halfway down, 5 overs, 41 runs, and both openers on the crease.
ये पैटर्न बता रहे हो इसको.
बॉलर नेम बोलो.
Always.
Faiz is a bowler who is going to bowl the 6th over. After the completion of 5 overs is 41 runs, no loss. Faiz is a bowler. I am seeing him for the first time bowling here. We'll see what can he do for his team, because they desperately need 1 wicket, because 5 overs gone, no wicket is there, so they badly require a breakthrough. Abdul Rahman is batting very fearlessly. We'll see on this ball. A very nice ball. There was a chance. A thick edge was there, but Aqil Khila could not convert it into the wicket. 42 runs, 6 overs started, and this was a big chance for Aqil Khila.
क्या चीज? नहीं
Alhamdulillah. This is second ball. Very nice shot. Amazing shot by Asfan. Mr. Sadiq could not stop the ball, and the ball is going for 4 runs for boundary. Amazing shot. 46 runs. Very nice looking shot by Asfan. Asfan is hitting the ball very nicely, and he is batting fearlessly. Amazing shot by him, and with no loss. Huh? This is
कमेटी करेंगे निचुना करेंगे स्टैंड है नहीं रखे स्टैंड में है सब
This is third ball of the over, 6th over. Very nice shot. Amazing shot.
6.
I'm waiting for the umpire signal. Yeah, 6 runs signal by the umpire.
बैठे इरफान
Absolutely crunch. This was a bullet leg shot.
मेरे यहाँ से बॉस
Asfan is actually a bowler, but now he's showing his skills, his talent,
वो जंगली बिरयानी उठा दो ना.
and he wants to say that I'm all-rounder. I'm not a bowler, I'm all-rounder. He's showing. This is the 4th ball of the over, and this is a wide ball. And in 3 balls, he has given away 13 runs. Can you imagine?
50 completed.
50 runs completed. 53 runs, and he in 3 balls he has given I think 15 runs. 13 I'm sorry. This is another good shot. No chance for any of the fielder to grab the ball, and the ball is going for boundary. The ball is going for boundary, and this is a very huge over for Ali 11. Every ball is going, still till now 16 runs come from this over, and 2 balls still left. Absolutely crunch batting by Asfan.
कैमरा पूरे चलो क्या बंदा है वो क्या वो कैमरा वहाँ
Asfan is hitting in every area.
चलो अरे और कैमरा है यहाँ
He's showing his 360 degree performance.
क्या कांड करा क्या आपको मालूम है
This is a 5th ball. Another good shot. Fielder is there. Yeah, nice footwork by the fielder. Nice footwork by him. He has saved the boundary, I can say. Only 1 run has been taken from this ball. 58 runs is the score. This is last ball of the over, 6th over. Another good shot, but the fielder is there. We'll see what can he do. Mr. Sadiq is, he could not stop the ball. Another boundary coming from this over. And this opening partnership, this is the huge partnership of
21 over. 21 over में 21.
now. What is the score? What is 62?
आज बार भाई
62 no loss.
After the completion of 6 overs, it's 62 runs
आज 60 के करीब
without 62 without any wicket. Very nice batting
No, sir.
by both the opening batters. This is the opening partnership, and they have scored 62 runs in 6 over. Very nice. They have started very slow. The ball was not going from the bat, and after taking the grip, they have started hitting every ball. That's amazing cricket by both of them. Now again Asfan is on the strike. He's clearing the boundary very well, and at all the areas he's playing now. Mr. Minhaj sir, the captain himself, coming for bowling. This is the 7th over. This is the first ball of the 7th over. Another good shot. We'll see what the fielder can do. No stop for this ball, and the ball is going just like bullet. 4 runs. Absolutely fantastic batting by Asfan.
करीब का नंबर है क्या
No run बचा 50.
Asfan is just 9 runs away from his 50. Asfan is 9 runs away
Run मारा तो
from 50.
किसके
आसमान
हाँ
Shot into the square leg area. I'm sorry, into the point, but only from 1 run.
कौन ये जगह
Third ball, Rahman on the strike. Shot shot, but fielder Sadiq is there. They are looking for 2 runs, but Asfan is straight away denied. And they have smashing each and every bowler. This is second over of the captain Nasa. Another good shot, another fantastic shot, and again the ball is going for 4 runs. Wow, what an amazing batting by Asfan.
हाँ हाँ
आसमान को बोलो मत 50 हरी बाबू
What an amazing batting by him. He is just 4 runs away from his boundary. From his 50, I'm sorry. He is just 4 runs away from his 50. And he's batting fearlessly. Every area he's hitting. No chance.
बोलते ही प्लेयर घबरा जाता
हाँ हाँ
No chance for the fielders to stop the ball. He's hitting the ball in no man's land. Absolutely fantastic batting by him. Yeah, very sensible batting. He is respecting the good ball. When the ball is coming in good line and length, he is respecting that ball. And if he just sees a loose ball, he's just hitting to it. That's amazing cricket. Yeah, looking for Biggie, but completely beaten. 7th over completed. After the completion of 7 overs, it's 72 runs.
मैंने एक है आवाज ऐसा
Gone? Oh my God! This is a big
मामो
breakthrough. Asfan is got out, but we got no clue how he got out. A thick edge was there, I think.
बता दीजिए
Very nice batting by him.
मालूम नहीं हो रहा ये अभी
Very nice batting by Asfan. Asfan, Asfan. ऐसा बताओ.
46 हुए आपके
बताओ जैसा. Now Mr. Sadiq Hussain is bowling. First ball. Again, 2 Sadiqs are there in that team. One Sadiq is bowling, another Sadiq is fielding. What is this?
तुम्हें तो मिस कर लो
73 runs.
कितने ओवर में
8th over started.
एक बॉल
ये लाख खोल बे क्या लागा तुम्हारे
Oh, what kind of shot is this? $74 runs.
करीब में नहीं जगह
74.
74
2 balls, 74 runs. This is the 8th over, and Sadiq Hussain, Syed Sadiq Hussain is bowling. Abdul Rahman is still on the crease. He is the opener batter.
बोलो मेरे को विकेट कभी भी जा सकते हैं
Oh, on leg side, in mid wicket area, the ball is gone, and Zakir is there. 75 runs. Sadiq bowling very well, only giving away just 1 run per ball. That's good. This is 10 overs match. That's why the bowlers who give less than 8 or 9 runs is considered to be good bowler.
46
एक चौका मारा तो अच्छे थे
मैं क्या कह रहा मालूम है 50 के खरीब प्लेयर को बोले तो आउट हुआ है बोलो मत खेलने वाला फिर भी आउट हो गया
And trying to go for Biggie.
6 मारा क्या
Fielder is there. No chance. The ball is going for 4 runs.
बैटिंग मामा बैटिंग
Ball is going for 4 runs. 79 runs. 79 runs.
उल्टे सीधे हो गए मेरे जगह भी चेंज हो गया मेरा पूरा
मेन प्लेयर नहीं है हमारा हाँ लगा रो बैट में
79 runs. Still they have to hit each and every ball here because
अब नेवा तो मैं ले दूं चाहे
this much of runs
मेरे गाड़ी लाया हमने उतार कर
not up to the mark because on that side great players are there. Another good shot, but fielder is there underneath. Yes, the captain himself dropping the catch. This was an easy catch, but this kind of drop catches will not
करीम आया नहीं भाई ले दो
serve the team well. 80 runs completed while 8th over in progress.
ये आजी करीम को फास्ट बॉल का आवाज दे
8th over in progress is last ball of the 8th over. Nice shot, but fielder is there. Again the catch. Oh my God! What kind of loose fielding is this? This is absolutely not acceptable at all. This is not acceptable by the captain himself, Mr. Minhasa. No, I cannot expect from him this kind of poor fielding. Yeah, I know he's a good fielder. He's an all-rounder, but today he's not showing his class and talent. After the completion of 8 overs, what is the score now? 84 runs. Amazing batting, but still they have a lot more to do in these 2 overs.